Four of Coins energy. I do see you right here that this is you. Alam mo yung energy nito, parang tagtipid. Ganun yung energy. Parang tinitipid mo yung pera mo, ayaw mong gastusin. Yan. Parang iniipon mo. Pero parang naapektuhan ka in such a way na parang negative yung datingan nun. Alam mo yung energy na parang, siguro ganito, gutom ka pero pinipili mong wag gastusin yung laman ng wallet mo kasi may nakalaan na ibang dapat mong paggamitan nun. Parang tinitiis mo yung gutom kind of thing or whatever. It's just an example, but let's see. Let us see what's really happening here. Okay. Oh, intriguing to mga babes, ha? Teka nga sandali lang. Okay? Teka lang. Nilalapag ko muna lahat. Okay? Para makita kung tama nga talaga ang basa ko rito. Yun! Ten of Coins energy. Sinasabi ko na nga ba? Yan o. May sinabi ko ba, Miss Yan? Kasi alam niyo kaya binilisan ko na, pinaspasan ko na rito yung paglalapag ng ating energy sa ating table. Kasi, nararamdaman ko na rito, no, na tama yung aking basa dito, no. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, that with the star card energy, no, Three of Wands right here, no, and there's this very, 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 very strong Wheel of Fortune right at the center of this reading. Bago pa kayo pinanganak, nakatakda na kayo for this. And I'm gonna reveal that to you, okay? Pero unahan ko na kayo, it's something not just positive, but very, very positive. Bongga! We've got the Ten of Coins. Okay? That confirmed my intuition. Wow. So, before we dive deeper into this reading, let me just make bati to everyone. Hi and hello to my new viewers. Welcome new subscribers. My name is Yan Tuloy. At sana magstay din kayo together with my pabalik-balik na tambayers na walang kasawa-sawang tumatambay dito. Yan, basta lahat kayo. Just take only what resonates, okay? And syempre mga babes, no, yan, no, natawa lang ako. Meron mga nagko-comment, gusto talaga nila maging Yanatics, yung mga babes. Yanatics. May fans club. So yun nga, thank you so much. Yan no, sa mga, wow, nakaka-overwhelm naman no, na meron na pala akong fans. Thank you so much everyone. Yan no. Pero you know, as long as nandito yung presence ninyo, that's already more than enough for me. Okay? So, thank you so much. And yes, timeless din po ito. No? Pwedeng ito ay nangyayari na, or pwedeng high chance, yes, mangyayari pa lang. Yes, marami sa inyo yung mangyayari pa lamang ito. It's part of a very beautiful prediction here sa inyong future, sweetheart, no? So, okay, kung hindi niyo pa know, so meron pa po tayong other channel, ang main channel, no, with the High Priestess Tarot, no, at ang link ay nilagay ko sa description box ng reading na to. Kaya naman, if you haven't tried na bumisita doon din, pwedeng-pwede mo yung bisitahin. Meron din tayong ina-upload na daily collective readings doon everyday. Yes, yun, everyday. And syempre, kung kayo naman ay gusto ninyo ng reading per zodiac sign, then meron din tayo doon, no, basta ginagawa naman natin yon weekly. Ano? So, yun mga babes, pag-usapan na natin ito with the star card energy. Three of Wands right here. Beautiful. Kasi nakita ko dito mga babes na kung ano man ito, okay, you're not meant to live a normal life. Before you were born dito sa earth, no, nakatakda ka na talaga ditong mabuhay ng hindi normal, no? So, parang kagaya ko, mga mahal, no? Bago pa ako pinanganak, nakatakda na ako bilang maging medium ninyo, no? So, parang ganito din with the 10 of Wands energy, no? And there's this 5 of Coins, 7 of Wands energy, just like you, no? Nag-struggle din ako with this, okay? I got scared. I don't know what's happening. Ano yung mga nakikita, naririnig, no, everything. It's something here, okay, that's difficult for me, okay? But this is my journey. This is my purpose in life. I meant for this. So, okay, instead of escaping this type of purpose, I hug it tightly, okay? Because alam mo kung paano ko to nagsimulang tanggapin nung may mga taong nagpapasalamat. Habang may mga taong nagpapasalamat, yung puso ko lumalambot. Parang kahit ayoko nito nung una, natutunan kong yakapin ito. Yan, no? Kasi related dito mga babes, no? Yung inyong reading, okay? So, I meant to take this pathway sa aking purpose, even though ayoko at first. I got scared, everything. And this is you. You're meant for this. Pero nakita ko, ano ba yan, Miss Yan? Simple lang. Diretsahan na tayo. 10 of Coins energy. You're meant to live, okay, a unique life. At yun mga babes, yung hindi ka na mamomroblema sa pera. Yan o, hindi ka na mamomroblema sa pera. Hindi mo poproblemahin kung saan ka kukuha ng pera. And that is somewhat here extraordinary and you're meant to live that kind of life. You know, with the presence of Six of Cups energy, nakita ko rito, no, Wheel of Fortune, you have a series of past lives wherein lahat ng yon you are always nagsastruggle when it comes to money. Too much hard work. Meron pang ang past lives dito na sa sobrang pagod ninyo, no, dun kayo, mga babes, no, yun yung naging reason ng inyong death, no. That is what happened in one of your past lives, no? But for those series of your past lives, no, you are always poor. Lagi kang mahirap doon. You are always struggling. You are always doing everything, no, for the sake na magkaroon ka rito, no, ng mapagkukunan ng iyong pambili ng pagkain, no? At dun sa mga past lives mo, you tend not na wag magpamilya. No, may mga past lives ka na hindi mo pinipiling magpamilya ng sarili mo. Bakit? Dahil yung sarili mo hindi mo kayang mapakain in one of your past lives before. Meron rin naman ng mga past lives mo na meron kang nabuong family, no, on your own, pero this is you, no. Nalulungkot ka because hindi mo nabibigay yung mga gusto nila pag may nakikita sila, no, na gustong bilhin ng mga wants, no, like pag nagturo sila, no, sa palengke or sa market, no, you cannot buy those because inuuna mo yung laman ng tiyan, no? So, dito hindi mo sila parang mapag-aral, no? Kinikwento ko yung past lives ninyo. Kasi yun yung malinaw na nakikita ko dito. Sa lahat ng past lives mo, whether you remember this or not, okay? Because I'm seeing na, ibig sabihin you're not remembering this. But, sa mga past lives mo, palagi kang mahirap. Palagi kang poor in terms of money, always struggling, working, okay? Working your butt, working everything, no? Para lang kumita ng pera, no? And may mga past lives na pinipili mo na mabuhay on your own because yung sarili mo nga lang di mo mapakain ng maayos, hindi ka makakain, no, ng higit sa 3 beses sa isang araw, no? And this is you are always looking for or searching for an opportunity with money. Sir, ma'am, baka meron kayo dyan, pwede magbantay lang ng tindahan, blah, blah, blah. And those are your past lives. Those are your past lives, okay? And there's a resemblance na nangyayari ngayon sa inyong buhay ngayon. Now, let's talk about your life right now. Your life right now, this is you. Yes, you always have this, no, na nakakagawa ka ng solusyon when it comes to money. But, you always find yourself searching and looking ng mas pagkakakitaan pa more, mas malaking savings. Ibig sabihin, nag-resurface pa rin yung Wheel of Fortune, Six of Cups energy right here na Nine of Wands, Five of Coins. Nag-resurface pa rin yung energy ng past life sa buhay mo right now. May mga taon, yes, may trabaho kayo, nagsumisahod kayo, or may negosyo kayo, kumikita naman yon, but you're not really satisfied. Oo, napoprovide naman yung pangailangan mo, or kung may pamilya ka man, napoprovide naman yung pamilya, yung pangailangan ng pamilya ninyo. Pero, even though you have yung mapagkukunan ng pera, this is you, nakita pa rin kita ditong umutang ka pa rin. I'm seeing na nag-try ka pa rin ditong umutang sa iba, or maybe you've tried yung mga loan na mga parang establishments, no, or corporations, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Or this is you, no, na nakita pa rin kitang nanghihiram with your friends, with your mga kakilala dito, no. So, nakita ko pa rin na nagsastruggle ka pa rin sa money. Yan, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you always find yourself na bago kayo magkaroon ng trabaho, this is you, nakikita ninyo na lagi kayo may kakumpetensya. Lagi kayo naungusan. Minsan, napipili yung mga kasabay ninyo, tapos kayo hindi. Okay? And with all these past years, no, nakita ko kayo rito, na ganun ng ganun yung life ninyo. And it's a burden. Ten of Wands energy. But, this has to stop now. Yan. Because the sun is already here. Yan mga babes, no? I do not know ano ba talaga yung pinakabuong nangyari, no, ng inyong past lives, like yung buong kwento no, hindi ko na mahugot dito. Pero yung mga binanggit ko kanina, yun yung pinaka nakita natin dito. Plus, what I'm gonna tell you next is what saved you. Ano ba yun, Miss Yan? Because even though you are poor in all of your past lives, and even though ang hirap ng buhay mo sa lahat ng naging past lives mo, you always stay humble. Naging mabait ka pa rin. You never blame God for what is happening around you. You never blame the universe sa buhay mo kahit naghihirap kayo. Sa lahat ng mga past lives mo, pinili mo pa rin maging mabait at mabuting tao. Naging mabuti ka sa iba, kahit yung iba wala ring makain dito, wala kang makain dito, you tend to share your food, no? Hinahati mo yun sa dalawa, you, okay? Give it dun sa nagugutom din. That is you. A very strong evidence right here. So, kung meron man ditong depth, no, or spiritual depth, no, na posibleng nagawa ninyo bago-bago pa dito sa mga past lives na to, kung bakit ito nangyari noon or whatever, bayad na kayo. Dahil pinili ninyong maging mabuting tao, wala man kayong naaalala sa lahat ng mga past lives ninyo. Ibig sabihin, because you are a good person, the universe will now put end to this. You know? So, your suffering in terms of finances is about to end. Yun yung nakita ko dito, no? Pero yung iba, nakakita rin ako rito na it's not your debt. It could be the debt of someone related to you in one of your past lives. And you are the one paying the debt or whatever, but you are involved doon. So, hindi na natin yung hahalongkatin, but because this is you are a good person and you chose to be a good person, indeed, the universe is now opening his or her gate, you know, for you to receive this 10 of coins energy. Wow! Dahil ko sinasabi, yung 10 of coins dito, ang daming pera niyan, mga mahal, no? Pwede na kayong kumanta dyan talaga nung kanta ni Lisa na favorite ko talaga yun, no? Yung dollar bills, keep on falling to me, I love the way it feels. Yan, diba? So, i-catch nyo na lahat ng money kasi magda-drop na ang lahat ng money, no? Opportunities will come left, right, no? At nakikita ko rito, no, napapasok yung pera at siswertihin ka rito sa pera. Kaliwat kanan, may trabaho ka, meron kang negosyo, meron pa rito mga opportunities, no, na um, magiging dagdag, no, sa mga paparating na mga opportunities na pera para sa inyo, no? Like, this is you. You're not meant in this lifetime to live a normal life. You're meant to live such an extraordinary life, no, wherein you will feel that wealth, that abundance, that prosperity, at yun ay talagang related sa yung money. Tapos na yung pagiging mahirap mo sa lahat ng mga past lives mo dahil this lifetime, you're gonna experience, no, being rich, wealthy, okay, but staying humble. Okay, so nakikita ko kayo rito, no, that in the future, with this Six of Swords energy right here, no, Five of Wands energy, 10 of coins, nakikita ko kayo dito na magiging isa kayong living proof or living witness, no, and I'm seeing you getting emotional, crying. Why? I'm seeing you in front of other people. It could be a crowd, it could be a group of people, and you are telling your story na nanggaling ka sa ganitong klase ng life. And then this is you na talagang nandun kayo sa mode na experience ninyo yung survival mode in terms of food, money, wala kayo nun, no? But now, you're experiencing this. So it looks like you will encourage other people, no, not to give up on life. Yan. Wow! Wow, you're really heading towards this 10 of coins, sweetheart. Wow! So prepare to catch this 10 of coins energy because you deserve it. So thank you so much. Sarang Hiyo, love and light. And